Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Greg Murray and I'm a Wealth Management Advisor with the Newfoundland and Labrador Credit Union. In this segment we're going to discuss insurance, life insurance, accident insurance, disability insurance, and how that pertains to your financial plan. So Newfoundland and Labrador Credit Union can offer you advice, provide you with products, give you a second opinion on any life or disability insurance product that you may have or desire to purchase. Insurance can be a vital component of your overall financial plan. As I mentioned, a wide variety of insurance products are available here at NLCU through our Wealth Management Advisors of Insurance. And these are available through several national insurance companies to ensure that you and your family are protected. We offer life insurance, critical illness insurance, disability insurance, health insurance, and long-term care insurance. There's still perhaps some lingering pessimism in the marketplace about insurance, as over the years I'm sure that many products were perhaps sold because of their features or benefits rather than what's truly important when it comes to insurance: a need, protection, ensuring that at a difficult time your family has the financial resources to put finances secondary and put health and well-being and family as a priority. A respected insurance advisor would help you determine your insurance needs. A respected insurance advisor would ask you questions such as: how many dependents do you have? What are the lifestyle needs of your dependents? How much insurance coverage do you currently have? What is your current household income? What type of assets do you have? And how much do you owe? All these questions and the answers would determine the amount of insurance that you have, the type, how many dependents you have would depend or would influence your insurance decision to make sure that their lifestyle could continue. Music, hockey, sports, whatever it may be. All these things that we enjoy in life are often dependent on two household incomes, and emotional devastation aside, the loss of income to a household can be devastating. So insurance is a proper product to protect your family, ensure that the things that you enjoy in life are not jeopardized by an emotional or grief or tragedy. From a financial planning approach, life insurance can address all of the previous needs. The most valuable benefit of a life insurance plan is to eliminate debt, to replace your income, and provide for your family in order to maintain a desired standard of living. There are many different insurance products in the marketplace. You hear reference to whole life, term life, dividends, permanent. At the end of the day, what's most important with your insurance is the proper amount. The product should come secondary, in my opinion. Again, insurance is meant to cover a need, to replace income, pay off debts, as the previous slides have said. And often in our society today with good incomes, young families, it's not uncommon to see policies in the hundreds of thousands and into the millions of dollars. So a trusted insurance advisor will be making sure that your needs are met and the proper amount of insurance is in place. The product choice should be secondary. The next couple of slides talk about some strategies that some might find to be of value. So I'm going to let the slides speak for themselves. The first topic is critical illness insurance. It's a relatively new type of protection in the marketplace compared to a life insurance. But critical illness insurance would pay a tax-free benefit in the event you were diagnosed with any one of a number of critical illnesses, such as a heart attack, stroke, or life-threatening cancer. Similar to life insurance, you can purchase it in various amounts, such as $10,000, $50,000, or greater, or even for the amount of your loan or your mortgage, for example. People commonly find value in the financial comfort it provides to take time from work to recover, to pay for treatment or medication costs, or to pay off a debt. Statistics have shown that a 6-month sickness can wipe out years of savings and derail a retirement or other plans. Critical illness coverage can help shift your focus from financial worries onto health and recovery without needing to deplete your savings or use excessive credit. Some critical illness policies can even be designed to provide a 100% refund of premiums if you were not to make a claim. The next use of insurance we'll discuss, as it pertains to your financial plan, is using it as an effective strategy for final expenses, for income tax owing at death, or to equalize an inheritance. Again, here's a practical example that I use in many situations. And again, I'll let the slide speak for itself. We have an example of Mr. and Mrs. Smith, both age 65, who have attained a degree of financial success. And upon their death, they would like to leave their combined total 200,000 RSPs, for example, to their adult children. Now, RSPs and other registered accounts can transfer tax sheltered to a surviving spouse. However, upon the death, the last passing, I should say, of Mr. and Mrs. Smith, any RSP amount or RIF amount or registered plan amount would be included with their other income in the year of death. So this can represent a significant tax loss to the inheritance before it reaches the children. Perhaps 50% in this case, near 50%, or maybe approximately $100,000 of the RSP could be lost to income tax, greatly reducing the inheritance. With some advanced planning through their NLCU insurance advisor, Mr. and Mrs. Smith were able to implement a life insurance policy that replaced the $100,000 lost in taxes and helped preserve the inheritance at a cost of just $178 per month. And in that example, it will be based on a male and a female, age 65 years old, both non-smokers. So in summary, NLCU Insurance Services can provide you with protection for individuals, families, as well as business owners. We have a variety of product choices available through several national providers at no additional cost to you and comes with no commitment. Our wealth management advisors can provide advice based on your needs and your stage of life. Thank you very much for listening.